keep getting that sun in my eyes. It feels good, but it kind of hurts. Craig L. Wright was born in Keosauqua, Iowa in 1846. He was admitted to the Iowa bar in 1868 and came to Sioux City that same year. He practiced law with some other guys we've seen, including William Joy until 1884. He then practiced alone until 1890, and then got involved with his firm of Joy, Wright and Hubbard, with E.H. Hubbard, who's just right over there. He was attorney and legal counselor for many corporations and assisted in organizing several of them. Now, if you would just want to turn around and address your attention to Haley, she is standing by the monument of John and Mary Post Hagee. I have their picture right here. You can take a quick look at them. John and Mary Hagee, John and Mary Hagee. John was a building contractor from Pella, Iowa. Mary Post was born in Canada and married John in 1851 at Pella. They came to Sioux City really early in the September of 1856. Mary was involved in real estate. John was elected sheriff in 1865 and served 2 years. They purchased the cabin of early settler Joseph Lyonnais, and they used it for a hotel. Many migrants to Sioux City stayed their first nights here in the Hagee House Hotel. They operated those boarding houses and hotels up until the 1890s. They were charter members of the First Baptist Church and donated part of the land, which became this cemetery. And that is John and Mary Hagee. Now we have a heck of a walk.